Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another great video. In today's video, we're going to be starting the restoration on my dad's abandoned Volkswagen Golf 5 TDI TSG. Let's get started.
Confession that you're my obsession. You're pulsing through me. The blood is rushing and I am trusting you'll come save me. My knees are feeling weak. Your body's close to me. I want you to come rescue me.
So a little overview. This vehicle was first purchased in 2007, brand new. It has then clocked over 260,000 kilometers, I think. And then it had a massive oil leak in 2010, and then subsequently it was parked off. It was parked off from 2010 to now, which is almost the end of 2019, making it almost 9 years that it was abandoned. Now the question remains, if I put a battery in this vehicle, will it start? Let's find out. And so as you can see, putting the battery in is a pretty big chore. The battery is heavy and the space around it is not very easy to put the battery in. Now, as you can see, you got some lights, you got some ignition. However, I couldn't find the cutoff for the injectors, so that I can just run the engine a little bit so the oil can circulate. I think I'm just going to go ahead and try and start it. First startup after 9 years. Holy fuck! It actually fucking started. What the hell? I'm just gonna leave it to warm up for a while. What the actual fuck? It actually started. The engine mounts are gone. I mean, how is it possible after 9 years that just by turning the key and a few swings later it just starts? And as you can see, the battery is a little bit dead, so it's struggling to turn the engine. However, it actually started and it runs without major issues. I have tried putting in drive, I feel a little bit jerk forward, that means drive is activating. I put it in reverse. Reverse is activating, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and switch it off and see if it starts again. And so in the next video I'm going to be trying to do a full service on the vehicle, and then hopefully it should run a little better. Then after that I'm going to probably service the transmission, because it is the first gen DSG transmission, and then after focus on all the cosmetic inside and outside. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. I'll see you around.